Hello friends, my name is Rupak and I represent iFinStrats. I welcome you all for today's session where we will be starting a new series in identifying stocks on a periodic basis for taking short swing trades. Now what is swing trade? Swing trade is nothing but where you identify a stock which is in momentum and you enter into the stock and exit in the next few days, which could be anything from 2 days to 15 days or 20 days, and you make your 5 or 10% and you exit the stock. Now remember, whatever I am going to be showing you today is my analysis, and I want to put this disclaimer that this is just my understanding and analysis. This is only for learning and educational purposes. If you want to take this trade, please consult your financial advisor and do your own analysis before entering into the trades. So, without wasting time, let's begin. आज का मेरा पहला स्टॉक जो मैंने आप लोगों के लिए पिक किया है वो है एक कंज्यूमर स्टेपल्स पैकेज्ड फूड्स एंड मीट्स इंडस्ट्री से, जिसका नाम है LT Foods Ltd. 215 रुपए पे ट्रेड कर रहा है इस वक्त. स्मॉल कैप कंपनी है, 7,000 करोड़ का इसका मार्केट कैपिटलाइजेशन है. थोड़ी सी रिस्क है स्टॉक में फ्रॉम फंडामेंटल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. मतलब कि स्टॉक जो है इस वक्त 4.5 गुना वॉलेटाइल है एज कम्पेयर टू निफ्टी. बट बिकॉज हम लोग एक स्विंग ट्रेड लेने वाले हैं इसमें, जो कि अब से लेके अगले 10 या 15 दिन के लिए होगी मोस्टली, तो उस स्विंग ट्रेड को देखते हुए मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बॉदर नहीं करूँगा अपने आप को फ्रॉम द फंडामेंटल्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. सो देरी ना करते हुए, let's look at the technical analysis for this stock on the charts. So let's dive into this LT Foods chart. This is the weekly time frame chart of LT Foods. You would have seen that LT Foods made an all-time high somewhere around mid of December, and after that it showed a very steep correction. From there it has again started gaining momentum, and now it is currently traveling above the 44 WMA, the weighted moving average. ये जो yellow line है, this is the WMA line, and the below band of magenta and orange is 200 EMA exponential moving average band. Dropping it down to the daily chart, you would see that on daily chart again, the stock is definitely traveling over 44 WMA, which is giving me a good comfort factor that the stock is on a bullish momentum, and very soon it would go ahead and break or at least touch its all-time high of mid-December. Let me open two more indicators for you. The first one, the upper one in this grayish blue kind of line, is the RSI. RSI is traveling above 60, which means that the stock is on bullish momentum, and which is good news for us that the stock is having some kind of momentum. And then the below green line is a very important line which tracks the relative strength of the stock compared to a broader index. In this case, because LT Foods is a small cap company, so just to show you, I have kept the relative strength check on the small cap 100 index, which means LT Foods being a small cap company, I'm checking it against small cap index. So therefore you see that the green line is above the zero line, which is this dotted red line. As long as this green line is above the dotted zero line, the stock is having more strength than the broader index, in this case small cap index. Now I think these two things are good enough to check that we should be entering into the stock. One more check I would like to do is on the correction. If I plot the Fibonacci tool and see that even on the Fib, the stock is above the golden zone of 61%, which gives me another level of satisfaction that I think we're looking at the right stock. Now this stock, if it crosses 233, That would be my first target, and my second target would be probably 278. So all I have to do is basically plot a risk reward here, keep the risks to or the stop loss very close to 44 WMA, or shall we say just below the golden zone. And if I just take the target of 1.61 golden ratio, projected golden ratio of 278, I should be looking for a trade of 1 is to 3.5 risk reward, which is a very decent and very good risk reward. So I think um, I would really bet on this stock for a short swing trade. Let us see how this thing goes on in the next few days or few weeks. Um, Again, I repeat, this is my analysis and I'm not SEBI registered. So please make sure that you do your own analysis. This is just for educational purposes. I am showcasing this stock move to you. I'm sure that you will do your own checks and balances. You will talk to your financial advisor and then take a call if you want to really go ahead and take a trade on LT Foods. Thank you very much. I hope to see you very soon again with a new stock. Bye bye.